Welcome to our journey into the incredible world of ants. Today, we'll explore some of the most fascinating types of ants from around the globe. These tiny insects may be small, but they have remarkable traits that make them truly extraordinary. From the rainforests of South America to the deserts of Africa, ants have conquered a diverse range of habitats, forming complex societies that rival our own in their organization and efficiency. Our first encounter brings us to the Americas, home to the remarkable leafcutter ants. These industrious insects are a familiar sight in the rainforest, their columns of workers forming living highways as they travel between their foraging grounds and their nests. Leafcutter ants are farmers of the insect world, cultivating their own food source in the form of a specialized fungus. The leaves they harvest with their sharp jaws are not eaten directly, but instead provide the substrate on which their fungal gardens thrive. Inside the nest, a marvel of engineering unfolds, with specialized worker ants meticulously tending to their delicate fungal gardens, ensuring a continuous supply of nutritious food. Our journey now takes us to the southern United States, where we encounter a much smaller but no less impressive ant, the fire ant. These fiery little creatures are renowned for their painful sting, a potent defense mechanism that protects their colony from intruders. These tiny architects are masters of construction, creating impressive mounds that can house thousands of individuals, with tunnels and chambers providing ventilation and protection. When the rains come, they link their bodies together, forming a living raft that can float on water, ensuring the colony's survival during floods. Chapter 3. Army Ants, the relentless nomads. Now, we venture deep into the heart of the rainforest, where we encounter a force of nature like no other. The army ants. These formidable predators form vast colonies that march relentlessly through the undergrowth, consuming anything in their path. Unlike most ants, army ants are nomadic, never staying in one place for long, with their life cycle revolving around raiding and migrating. The workers, armed with powerful jaws, form raiding parties that can swarm and overwhelm prey much larger than themselves, stripping the forest floor bare as they advance. Chapter 4. Weaver Ants, the master weavers of the canopy. Our next destination takes us up into the rainforest canopy, where we encounter the remarkable weaver ants. These arboreal architects construct their nests high above the ground, using silk produced by their larvae to bind leaves together, creating intricate nests that hang like leafy chandeliers. Inside these aerial fortresses, the weaver ants live and raise their young, protected from predators and the elements, showcasing the power of cooperation and ingenuity. Chapter 5. Honeypot Ants, living reservoirs of the desert. Our final stop takes us to the arid deserts of Australia and North America, where we meet the honeypot ants, masters of survival in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Certain worker ants, known as repletes, develop the remarkable ability to store large quantities of food within their own bodies, transforming into living reservoirs of nourishment. When times are tough, the colony can rely on these living larders to provide sustenance, ensuring their survival until conditions improve. From farmers to soldiers, architects to food storers, ants display a fascinating array of behaviors and adaptations that allow them to thrive in diverse environments. Next time you spot an ant, take a moment to appreciate these incredible creatures and the roles they play in our ecosystems. We've only just scratched the surface of the ant world, a world teeming with diversity, complexity, and wonder. Thanks for joining us on this brief adventure into the world of ants. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into nature.